Hello everyone, Karan here from Tech Reps, and today we are doing a sound comparison between the Soundcore Mini 2 and the JBL Go 3. Now, both of these speakers are supposed to be rugged speakers and mini rugged speakers that sound really good. Let me do a quick comparison before the sound test. Let's start with the price. The Soundcore Mini 2 cost about $24.99. This one costs, the JBL Go 3 costs about 3,000 rupees, 2,999. So the Soundcore Mini 2 is slightly cheaper than the JBL Go 3, but when you're buying a speaker for 2,500 or 3,000, sound should be more of a differentiator rather than the price, because the price difference isn't there that much. Mini 2, which is Anker Soundcore Mini 2, comes with only IPX7. So this can, of course, this is waterproof as it's showing over here, but it is not dust proof. The JBL Go 3, this is IPX67, so this is dust and waterproof. And when you're touching this, because of the rubber and the cloth finish, you do feel that you can easily wash this and clean this off completely from any dust, and any dust should not get inside this. So this is perfect for that. Next comes the battery life. That is where the Anker takes the cake. This is 15 hours, the Anker Soundcore Mini 2, 15 hours, and this is only paltry 5 hours. So this is 1/3 the battery life of the Anker Soundcore Mini 2. You know, battery life is very important, then go for the Anker Soundcore Mini 2. If battery life is okay, it's not that important, and you can charge it on the go, then the JBL Go 3 is manageable. Not great, but is doable. If you want something that is truly rugged, then you only have JBL Go 3 as an option. The Soundcore is made out of metal and rubber, feet and rubberized over here. This metal has chances of getting dinged. It doesn't feel like it because the construction is so sturdy, and you can hear it's absolute dense metal. So it's absolute dense metal. Shouldn't get dinged up, but there are chances that because this being metal, it can get dinged up if it falls down. This, no chance. Also, I do feel that this is more carry friendly because of this loop that we have over here. You can add this to any bag or any carabiner and hook it into your bag. Let's now focus on the most important thing, that is the sound test for these speakers. So I'm going to do a single test, and I'm going to play both the songs back at 100% volume. We are going to start off with the JBL Go 3, and the speaker that I keep in front, that's the one that's playing.
All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come, my tears, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
Which is better? Which is better? I'll say both are equally good. Okay, I'm not doing a cop out, but the JBL has the signature JBL sound. Its highs are a little bit more crisper, gets a little bit more louder, just a tiny bit, little bit more louder. This one definitely the Anker Soundcore Mini 2 definitely has more bass to it. So yeah, in bass department, I'd give it to the Soundcore Mini 2. JBL, I'll give it for a little bit more casual listening, where you want the highs to sparkle a bit more. So yeah, that's my 2 cents, guys. I don't think there's much to it for this price. If you want really small speakers, both of them, Soundcore Mini 2 and the JBL Go 3, both of them are admirable in my opinion. Yeah guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to buy both these speakers, check out the links in the description down below. It supports the channel. Thank you so much.